Now let's talk about Stumble Upon. Stumble Upon is a really good way to get traffic and lots of it. What it is you get a toolbar when you sign up for an account, and as you surf you can click an I like it button and it will actually stumble it. You can actually also press a stumble bar and it will go through the websites that other people have stumbled in the topic that they picked, or in every topic if they haven't picked one. Now, of course, the first step is to sign up and get an account. When you get an account, you'll be asked to download a toolbar, and the toolbar looks like this. You see the stumble here, I like it. And then you have the tag page. You can add to your favorites here and look at your favorites, your friends here, and then you have some tools in here. Then, if you look in the pages here, you can see what pages have been stumbled. You can see any friends that you have on here, and suggested friends if you don't have any in here yet. Your inbox for incoming messages. Network allows you to network with people, and these are the people that have visited your sites that you've stumbled. So that's 78 right now. And matches. Now if you go into your preferences, this is where you can set up your personal information and your picture. Now your stumbling options, and you can actually, this is where you can set your tags that you want to search for. So if you just click on search the tags, up comes the tag cloud, and you can see which ones are the most popular. Now with Stumble Upon, you can tag your own site and stumble upon your own site. And if you use one of the higher tags, if it fits in there, like the bigger tags, that's a more popular tag. Okay, and then when you click on that, it shows what people like blogging sites in here, and the featured blogging sites. And then over here, you can just stumble pages about blogging. If you click on that, it starts stumbling, which means it goes through the blogging sites. So this is what happens when you stumble upon your site and get it into the network. Other people start stumbling on it as well. So if I were to click the stumble button on my browser now, we'll go to the next site, and so on. So every time you stumble, it's now going to stumble on the blogs, because that's the category we're in. So this is how you get targeted people to your blog or website or whatever it is. So every time somebody stumbles, they go through the topic, and you can see how easy it can be to get some traffic in there as people randomly stumble through the topic they're interested in, and if your site is in there with them. You also need to remember that people can give you a thumbs down on your site. Right beside I like it, there is a thumbs down button right here. So if your site's not in the right spot, or people don't like it, they can just give you the thumbs down. So you need to make sure that you post your site in the right spot. Well, that's really all there is to Stumble. Now let's talk about a way to put all of the social bookmarking tags on your blog in one shot, as long as it's a WordPress blog. Instead of having to do it the hard way and go into each site that we talked about, you can do it all at once by downloading a simple plugin. It's in the resources document that came with it. So all you got to do is download the plugin and save it to your desktop or wherever you want to save it. Once you've done that, you need to upload it to your blog into the plugins directory, which is in WP Content/plugins. Then what you do is you activate the plugin in your blog. So you sign into your blog, I've taken those other ones off here just to show you what happens. And you sign in, and you go to plugins. And you'll find it in here called Social Bookmark Creator. Click Active.